All in now, all clear. Set, and they're racing. Tennessee Flyer left okay off the inside. A couple were slow. Can She Play and also Song and Dance Man. Now on settling down, Tennessee Flyer is driving right through along the inside to take up the lead from Sudden Sensation, Muriel Spirit. Jade Tigers forward and wide, and then followed next is Phantom's Revenge. There's another one in that clump up towards the leaders. That's Spirit of Murphy, 4 and 5 deep in 5th spot. Then comes Vivacious Cat, followed by Getting Back to French Officer, and then comes 9 to 5. A big breakaway to Velivic Angels. Can She Play, the Adulteress, and tailed right off as Song and Dance Man. They swing the bend at the 400 metres mark. Tennessee Flyer, Sudden Sensation and Muriel Spirit joining in on the outside. Then comes Vivacious Cat, Jade Tiger, Monsieur Moorings and French Officer head the others. 200 left to go. Sudden Sensation's got a kick left on the inside. Muriel Spirit having a devil of the time to pick it up. Then Vivacious Cat. Sudden Sensation kicked and kicked strongly. Got away from Vivacious Cat and Muriel Spirit, and Sudden Sensation's too good. For Vivacious Cat, photo third. Muriel Spirit was really tiring late. Tennessee Flyer kicked back the rail. Not a great deal between them. Then came French Officer, Can She Play, Jade Tiger, Velivic Angels, Monsieur Moorings, Spirit of Murphy, the Adulteress, Phantom's Revenge, Song and Dance Man, and 9 to 5 was at the